Are you looking for the best vegan protein powder? In this video, we'll break down the top vegan protein powders available, whilst comparing them for price versus performance. Before we get started with our video detailing the best vegan protein powders on the market, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting off at number 1, we have the Vega Organic All-in-One Shake. Nearly everyone likes the rich, creamy taste of Vega Organic All-in-One Shakes. If you hate a certain flavor, don't worry. You have 6 others to choose from. There are classic flavors like chocolate and French vanilla, as well as modern favorites like coconut almond, berry, and mocha. Try the unsweetened version of this all-in-one shake if you don't like flavored dietary supplements. Some shake drinkers warn that the flavor varieties are a bit sweet. This fine protein powder is great for mixing, shaking, and blending with warm or cold beverages. You can even use it as a flour replacement in recipes for gluten-free baked goods. Ingredients vary based on which flavor you choose, but every variety contains non-GMO, gluten-free ingredients. These all-in-one shakes are fully vegan, with no dairy or animal byproducts. A single serving of an organic Vega shake contains 20 grams of protein and 4 grams of fiber, plus omega-3 ALA, probiotics, and antioxidants. This makes the shakes ideal for people who want to improve their overall dietary habits while incorporating more protein. Price ranges from $30 to $100 depending on what size and flavor of Vega protein powder you choose. A large tub costs around $46, which is a reasonable price when you consider what's inside. At number 2, we have the Orgain Organic Plant-Based Protein Powder. This is a decent tasting protein powder that generally isn't described as chalky. Some reviewers compare it to Garden of Life's protein powders, especially the vanilla varieties. There are multiple flavors to choose from, including chocolate fudge, vanilla almond, vanilla bean, cookies and cream, and peanut butter. The last 2 aren't flavors commonly found in gluten-free protein powders, so this brand is great if you're looking for something new. The texture is smooth and thick, especially if you combine it with fruit and coconut milk in a blender. You can also mix it with water or juice, but it might not turn out as smooth. The ingredients are dairy-free, soy-free, and gluten-free. Many vegans also like that there is no carrageenan, a controversial ingredient often used as a thickener in foods and supplements. Unfortunately, or fortunately, depending on how you feel about sugar alcohols, this protein powder contains erythritol. It also has guar gum and acacia gum. All of these ingredients may cause digestive discomfort, especially if you fuel up with multiple servings of this organic protein powder each day. On a positive note, each 150-calorie serving gives you 21 grams of protein and 7 grams of fiber. The protein powder comes from peas, brown rice, and chia seeds. Prices vary drastically by flavor. Vanilla bean costs around $28, while chocolate fudge is nearly $48 for the same size. At number 3, we have the KOS Organic Plant-Based Protein Powder. Health-minded vegans rave about the delicious taste of KOS Organic Protein Powder. Organic sativa and monk fruit lend a satisfying sweetness that mingles beautifully with creamy coconut milk and Himalayan pink sea salt, disguising the pea protein and pumpkin protein that sometimes dominate vegan supplements. This is definitely one of the tastiest, possibly even the best tasting depending on your palate, vegan protein powders out there. KOS boasts a super smooth formula that blends easily, whether you stick it in an actual blender or just grab a spoon and stir it with some almond milk. The unpleasant grit and clumps associated with many vegan protein powders are not an issue with KOS. This KOS protein powder is loaded with vegan yumminess, including coconut milk, coconut sugar, flaxseed protein, pea protein, guana protein, pumpkin seed protein, and sativa. There's also a powerful Digest-EB enzyme blend that helps your body absorb nutrients, so you can maximize your nutritional benefit with every sip. Since it's a vegan supplement, you won't find any dairy products. It's also gluten-free and soy-free, which is a relief to many vegans with allergies. Each 170-calorie serving contains 20 grams of protein and half of your daily recommended value of vitamin C. A 30-serving canister of this vegan superfood supplement will set you back around $40. You can reduce the cost by choosing the subscribe and save option on Amazon. At number 4, we have the amazing grass-green Superfood Organic Protein Powder. Some people love the earthy taste of this plant-based protein powder, while others complain that it's way too strong. Cacao powder lends a rich flavor to the chocolate variety, which helps mask ingredients like broccoli, wheatgrass, and spinach. The texture of this green protein powder is okay if you stick it in a blender with veggies or fruits. You can also mix it with water, juice, or non-dairy milk if you don't mind a few clumps. Reviewers complain that it doesn't pair well with cold beverages. This protein powder is packed with alkalizing goodness. It boasts a nutrient-rich blend of broccoli, spirulina, spinach, flaxseed, beets, carrots, and numerous other organic plant-based ingredients, enhanced with natural chocolate flavor. There's no added sugar, and all of the ingredients are gluten-free. One serving alone gives you 2 grams of protein, which isn't much when you compare it with other protein powders on our list. However, you get plenty of vitamin K, vitamin C, vitamin A, iron, and potassium if you consume this antioxidant-filled supplement. This protein powder is geared towards people who value overall wellness, not people who just want to load up on protein. Prices range from $15 to $45 for this vegan superfood supplement. Not sure you're ready to pay that much? Request a sample pack for just $2. And for our final pick at number 5, we have the Garden of Life Raw Organic Meal. We'll be honest, this shake doesn't taste as great as some other options on our list of faves, especially if you aren't used to eating healthy food. It's not super sweet, and you can definitely taste some of the plant-based ingredients. If you hate the taste of this protein powder, try mixing it with juice or dumping it in a smoothie. There are 4 flavors available for Garden of Life Raw Organic Meal Replacement Shakes: vanilla, chocolate, vanilla chai, and lightly sweet. The lightly sweet is best if you want something that won't overpower other ingredients in a smoothie. The texture is thick and slightly gritty. You can mix this protein powder with water or dairy-free milk, but we recommend adding it to a blender with some sort of liquid if you want a semi-smooth texture. Otherwise, you may end up with some lumps and clumps. This raw organic meal replacement boasts 44 superfoods, including pea protein, chia seeds, cauliflower, blackberries, and blueberries. You won't find a healthier vegan protein supplement, at least not as far as nutrient-rich, minimally processed ingredients go. 2 scoops of this gluten-free protein powder give you 20 grams of protein and 7 grams of fiber. Probiotics support your digestive system, while vitamin C strengthens your immune system. Expect to pay somewhere between $24 and $45 for this raw organic meal replacement powder, depending on size and variety. So that sums up our top vegan protein powders of 2019. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.